beyond. Ekwensu, on the other hand, allows individuals to make covenants with each other, as do all Arushi. When two people go into an agreement, they have the option to swear the agreement onto an Arushi or an oracle. The effectiveness is based on the mutual fear or respect the individuals have for the Arushi. One of the most common sworn upon is Ekwensu. Because Ekwensu is a brutal punisher, blood oaths are taken in Ekwensu's name that binds two people to the fulfillment of the oath's conditions. Because Ekwensu is a spirit feared by other spirits, the fear of Ekwensu's punishment surpasses the fear of death, because Ekwensu can punish the spirits on the other side as well. Because of this binding ability, Ekwensu's name was used in the New World by Africans captured and enslaved on colonial plantations. Oaths of secrecy sworn under Ekwensu were used to form plots of rebellion, escape, and revolution. Ekwensu was also a fundamental Arushi in the Haitian Revolution. Haiti, in the time of Napoleon, was France's key source of wealth. So great was the produce from the island that Napoleon was able to build and sustain what was at the time the world's largest standing army. Pushed to the edge, the enslaved people revolted, using oaths to Arushi such as Ekwensu and Nzambe, as well as the talking drum, to organize wide-scale battle tactics, guerrilla strategies, and alliances with freed maroon colonies in the mountains. The Haitians won the war, and soon after Napoleon's forces, now cut off from their primary source of wealth, crumbled under the Russian winter under the weight of starvation. The Europeans who escaped Haiti spoke of Africans who could be shot multiple times but continued fighting, charging at riflemen with their bare hands and taking bullet fire, finally dropping dead once they had succeeded in killing the person they were targeting. A book was written years later about the stories surrounding the revolution called Magic Island, and is the basis of the American version of the zombie mythology we see today. But those familiar with our customs know that this is the face of warfare when under the shadow of predatory Arushi such as Ekwensu. Ekwensu makes a transcendental fighting spirit possible, as well as giving people the ability to unite under a string of oaths more feared than death itself.